finished laundry. First off, we have back there in our bedroom, I have the walls getting started, so I need to move furniture so I can get continued on. But also we have a new backsplash we're putting up in our kitchen. This is it. It's just a peel and stick one. But the problem is I gotta clean all of this stuff first and then get everything measured. But last night I came through and I actually painted. There used to be like a ugly brass edging and stuff around there. So I did come and I cleaned it and then I painted it so that it would look a little bit better. So we did that yesterday, and then I'm gonna get this black splash up as well, or hopefully get it up today. But I wanna get the bedroom skim coated. But our kitchen looks like a disaster right now because I've had to move things around. I've had to do a lot of different things. So we're gonna get moving. Okay, so about a week ago, I had made this kombucha. It's a second ferment, so it has like orange juice, coconut water, and all that stuff. It's really fizzy. I'm excited to try this. Let me get the other one that I haven't done that to yet. You guys gotta hear this. I haven't shaken it or anything, but listen. That one exploded on me. I wasn't prepared for that. So these are ready. So I'm gonna get them in the fridge today. But this one, I want to try it and see what it tastes like. And like I said, this is the second ferment, and these are kind of what I want to try to get into because I know kids might be better about drinking it, but that's so good. That is really good. It's a simple one. It's kombucha, a first ferment kombucha, orange juice, coconut water, and a touch of sea salt. This is really good. This is my new favorite way to do it. Oh yeah, definitely making more. Now you can see we got this whole section done that we were working on previously. I came through and I cleaned out all the way around the room to there. So now what we're gonna do, I vacuumed the floor and everything. We're gonna rip up these baseboards because we're replacing those. So we're gonna do that right now. And then we're gonna start skim coating the rest of this. And I gotta fill that in right there, which that's not too bad. That won't be too hard, but let's get these baseboards ripped up so we can get on to the next step. Hello. So I am actually outside. I probably shouldn't be in a sweatshirt, but I wanted to show you guys this. So this is why I've been kind of just staying inside and doing stuff. We are in the middle of a snowstorm. Last I checked, it was about 4 degrees Fahrenheit. But it is the day before Christmas Eve. So I just spent the last couple hours prepping all of the food we were gonna need for Christmas Eve because we do Christmas Eve at my mom's house. That's been a family tradition for I don't know how long. But we're doing Christmas Eve at my mom's house tomorrow, and then we're having Justin's parents over for Christmas Day. So I just spent the last couple hours getting everything prepped for all of that. But this is why I love winter. It's so pretty. Roads are trash, but it is so pretty. Now we're gonna go back inside and get working on the bedroom and get that done. We did finish the, almost finished, I should say. We almost finished the backsplash in the kitchen so that we can get the kitchen completely done. The only problem is we ran out of a few of the items. A few of the pieces. So we just have to go pick that up. But as you can tell, roads are probably crap right now, so we will not be driving on the roads. So we're just gonna pick that up probably tomorrow or Monday, whenever. But we gotta clean up this kitchen from this mess, and then I'm gonna get started on the bedroom. So now we are fully prepped for Christmas and Christmas Eve. Presents already wrapped, already packed in the car, ready to go since it's cold enough. So let's get going. So this is Christmas Eve. We are in West Michigan, so if you don't know, we have a snowstorm. I mean, by the time you guys watch this, our storm is going to be done, but we're in the middle of a snowstorm. It's been snowing now for almost 48 hours. You look outside, you can still see it coming down. Today is the warmest day in the last like 2 or 3 days. I want to say it's like 14 degrees. The last 2 or 3 days it's been at like between 2 and 8. So one thing I want to say though is I don't mind snowstorms, to be honest. Winter is my favorite time of the year, no matter what the weather is, no matter what it's like. I love it. My favorite time of the year. The thing that's been bugging me, and the thing that I don't like the most right now, is how trapped I have been feeling at my house. I was not able to leave the house at all yesterday. We could barely keep up with getting the snowblower and clearing our driveway. The trucks weren't even coming down. The plows weren't even coming down our road because of how fast they were trying to keep up with everything. We have gotten close to a foot, possibly more than a foot at this point oh no, it's more than a foot actually, because we have a foot on the ground right now. The plows can't even keep up with the the parking lot where I'm at right now. But we have over a foot of snow in like 24 hours. So it's not a horrible thing. Like, I love it. I still love the weather, all of that. It's more the fact that of how trapped I was feeling at my house. So today we needed eggs and milk because we're almost out. Actually, we are out of eggs. So this was one of those things. This storm is kind of the epitome of my fear of running out of food and wanting to make sure I stock enough to last in case of a situation like this. We don't have eggs. Our chickens are done laying. Like, they're not laying right now because, one, the weather. So laying eggs is very difficult on their bodies, so they aren't. And two, it's molting season. They're trying to stay warm, and they're trying to hold on to as much energy as possible right now. So this just solidified the fact that I need to figure out different ways to preserve my eggs. So next year, at the end of the summer, while our chickens are still laying the most eggs, I will be figuring out how to do the water canning of eggs. I can't remember exactly what it's called, but you use like lime and you preserve them in a lime mixture so that they are preserved longer. So that is what we're going to be figuring out for next year. Also, other methods, we do prep foods, like breakfast foods with our eggs, so we're going to be doing all of that. But this just kind of solidified it, of how much we need to figure out more ways to preserve our foods. We have everything we need at home. Like, don't think we're like struggling for food right now. We have everything we need. We ran out of eggs and we ran out of milk. So yeah, one more reason to get onto this farm as soon as possible so that we can have all of our own stuff, we can preserve all of our own foods, and we can stop relying on grocery stores in times like this. Luckily, we live right around the corner. I'm talking like 5 blocks to get to our house from this grocery store, so I don't have to be on too many roads. But I don't like dealing with people on these roads because they're crazy. People forget how to drive in winter. So That's it. I gotta get home though, because I gotta get working on skim coating this bedroom and get that done because I need it done. We need to, this is just solidifying even more of how fast we need to get out of this house and get to where we want to be. So we're gonna get there. You guys are gonna see me in just a second at the farm.
Presents do you want to loose? Drop your pants.
I'm just the amount of waste right now because this stupid compound is too wet. I'm not even adding water. And look at all of it that's falling on the floor.
Oh, is that what that bucket was? I was using that as my pee bucket like Nicole. Crap! No, you can't.
You know, I'm leaving
no,
that in the video.
You can't
I'm
laugh.
leaving
You
that not.
can't laugh. I'm leaving all the screaming in the video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can keep up to date on what is happening at ZB Farms.